Rama Rama Hare Hare. Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Tadatmin Sapadantikam Vandegam Shri Gurum Shri Yutapatakabalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Dam Sajivam Sadvaidam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakan Vidam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostude Taptakanjana Gaurangi Shri Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Kari Priye Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swaminiti Namine Namagacharya Padaya Netai Kripa Pradayine Gaurakata Damadaya Nagara Gramatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shivas Sadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya, Krishna Prashtaya Bhutale, Srimate Bhakti Vedanta, Swaminiti Namine, Namaste Saraswate Devi, Gauravani Pracharine, Nirvishesha Shunyavadi, Paschatya Deshatarine. Hare Krishna. Welcome all devotees. Devotees have not yet joined. Thank you. I welcome all of you. On behalf of ISKCON Mangalore, Kulai, Radha Madhav Temple, Radha Govinda Temple, and on behalf of Naminishra Hare Krishna, all glories to Srila Prabhupada, and I humbly surrender my obeisances under the lotus feet of Guru Maharaj, His Grace, Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, and Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. Is my screen visible and am I audible? Having slightly throat problem, so if I'm not audible, let me know. I'll speak from the mobile also. Anyway, I get connected. Hare Krishna. Yeah, can anyone of you write what was yesterday's chapter? Yesterday chapter name? Yes. Yesterday we learnt about all the opulences of the Lord, right? Lord's opulences means what? Where all we can see him in what form, whatever we see, how we can perceive the Lord. Okay. 6 opulences. What are the 6 opulences, Mataji? Okay, but we learnt about so many, 64. In fact, I think 86. 64 or 86 we saw. Hare Krishna. Okay, what are 6 opulences of the Lord? Correct. Then, correct. Excellent, Mataji. Okay, I have sent it. You know, the Lord is all rich, all beauty, all strength, all fame. Right? Because you see, Lakshmi Sadasya, in Brahma Samhita, it is said that thousands of Lakshmis are serving Krishna. So how rich it should be? Beauty. In fact, these gopis used to blame Brahma. Oh, this Brahma, how he has created this body. The eyes, why do they wink? When we see the beauty of the Lord, our eyes should not wink. Brahma has created wrong creation, they say. So that beauty. So beautiful he is. And especially you see in all ISKCON temples, when they open the curtain at the time of Shringara Arati, right? Beautiful it is. I mean, you really can't move away the eyes. So beautiful it is. All beauty, all strength. Yesterday we discussed, right? The Lord, how many, so many asuras who were sent by Kamsa. Finally, when Kamsa called him to Mathura to fight, that Kuvalaya is what? The mad elephant. He tried to kill Krishna by sending the mad elephant. He could not. Okay. And knowledge. Knowledge, from him only the knowledge comes. He only gave all the Vedas to Brahma. Brahma just meditated upon the Lord. When Brahma came out first time, everything was dark. So Brahma could hear only 2 letters. Tap, tap, tap. And Brahma is Brahma, no, Lord's first creation. So he is so, I mean, we can't describe his intelligence. He understood what the Lord wants from him. He said, okay, austerity. Again, Brahma went inside the same step. He went into the navel of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There he meditated for so many years, celestial years. Then he got whole knowledge of Vedas, all Veda, Upanishad, everything. So that means Lord only has given, what is meant by Veda? Veda means knowledge. Anything we perceive is knowledge. This is teeth, this is eye, this is also knowledge. Anything for that matter. Whatever we perceive, it's knowledge. That is Veda. So, Lord, there is nobody above him having any superior knowledge. Renunciation, best example. When we all know Gopis were Krishna's life, all of us know. And how much he loved Nanda Baba and Yashoda Maya. But when Akura came where from? Mathura. Why? To call Krishna to Mathura. Because if Krishna comes to Mathura, there was a plan by Kansa. That's what I told. No, Kuvalaya, mad elephant. That was ready. So the plan of Kansa was to kill Krishna and Balaram by Kuvalaya. If not, again other arrangements were there. They were supposed to do the Malla Yuddha. So somehow he planned. So that time Akura came to call. When Akura came to call, Gopis all lost their life. They just became like, jada. They could not think, they could not move, they could not do anything. And they were only, the tears were flowing from their eyes. Krishna had to go. He boarded the chariot, everything. All gopis, Nanda Baba, full Vrindavan Vasi. They came behind the chariot and they all cried so badly. They were all expecting Krishna will turn back and see. No. Krishna simply went. That shows he totally renounced. He is renounced. That means what do you call that? Sangha means yukta, with attachment. He was without attachment, asanga. Okay, so yes, the Lord is the example for all these 6 opulences, which we also have, but in quality, not in quantity. Like one small ounce of gold from the, large gold mine, if we take it out, what ounce of gold we took out will have the same qualities of the whole gold mine. But is this gold particle equal to gold mine? Not at all. So we can't say we are Bhagavan's Amsha, so we are equal to the Lord. There were so many neophytes. There were so many who are they? That those who do not worship the form of the Supreme Lord, those who used to believe in the Brahma Jyoti. It's not. They all used to, wonder how somebody can be above Brahma Jyoti, because for them the knowledge is till only the Brahma Jyoti, but the Lord has got all the opulences, and they used to tell Aham Brahmasmi. Those who, that is neophytes, philosophers, they all used to tell there is nothing beyond the Brahma Jyoti. Hare Krishna. Okay, so we will move on to today's chapter. Yesterday we saw about the vibhutis, opulences. The Lord is the Samaveda, Lord is in Nakshatra, in the month. He is Margashisha. In the season, he is the autumn season. Everything we saw, right? So what happened? After hearing to Krishna, Arjuna now is again telling, oh Krishna, you told me everything. How, what you are, everything you only. Rain is you, earth is you, and the sky, sun, Surya, everybody. Even Devatas, from who you only, Devatas were emanated. Avham Sarvasya Prabhavo, you remember? 10.8. Akam Sarvasya Prabhavo, I am the source of everything. Mattagat Sarvam Pravartate, everything emanates from me. Itimatva bhajante mam. One who knows this and worships me. Itimatva bhajante mam. Buddha bhava samanitaka. They will surrender unto me. Krishna said. So when Krishna told Arjuna, everything is Krishna only. Now again Arjuna is asking, oh Krishna, also show it to me. You said, I believed. But for the people to come, if you say you are everything, Jada, Cheta, Acheta, living entities, non-living entities, everything you. But if you show it, there will be no doubt for the people to come. But still now also, how many people believe, after Krishna has given the Bhagavad Gita also, how many people strongly believe that yes, Krishna is everything? We don't, is it not? Okay. Arjuna Uvacha Madanugrahaya Praramam Guhyam Madhyatma Sainjitam Yatvayoktam Vachastin Mohoyam Vigatamama. Arjuna said, I have heard your instructions on confidential spiritual matters, which you have so kindly delivered unto me. And my illusion is now dispelled. We all know all living entities are subject to 4 defects. We are illusion, we must commit mistake, and since we commit mistake, we try to cheat people. Is it not? So that why we commit mistake once again? Senses are imperfect. So illusion, senses are imperfect. Commit mistake, cheating propensity. So now Arjuna is telling, after hearing so much instruction from you, oh Krishna, now illusion has gone, Maya has gone. Now I very strongly believe whatever you said. But again he says in the second one, oh, sorry. Oh lotus I have heard from you. Anybody wants to read? Mataji's, Prabhuji's, good opportunity, 11th, universal form. Yes, Prabhuji, you want to read? Yeah, yes, Mataji, Shruti Mataji, read.
Yes, Mataji. 1 minute, Mataji. 1 minute, Mataji. Something happened. Just a minute.
Huh.
Yeah. O lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity, as realized through your inexhaustible glories. O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see here before me your actual position, I yet wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. If you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, O my Lord, O Master of all mystic power, then kindly show me that universal self. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, thank you, Mataji. So now Arjuna is telling, see, I have heard from you that Srishti, Sthiti, Pralaya, appearance, disappearance, our not to, I mean the entire universes, everything is because of your energy, potency. Also, as realized through your inexhaustible glories. Yesterday, Shloka, you remember, he also told, Krishna, you have also told me, but I have also heard the same thing from Asita, Devala, Narada. He told me in, I think, 7th or 6th shloka. So he is saying, before this also I have heard that everything emanates from you and you are the sources of all sources. I have heard it. But right now I heard from your own lotus mouth. So there is no doubt in it. Oh, greatest of all personality, what he is saying. Now I know your original position. Earlier, I used to think you were my friend. You were our cousin brother. I have slept with you. I have eaten with you. I have played with you. I have even fought with you many times. But now I understand your actual position. So, what please, Krishna, as what all you told, still, one more wish I have. What is that? I want to see everything what you told in you. Cosmic manifestation. Virat, slight differences there. Virat Rupa and cosmic manifestation. In cosmic manifestation, I mean present, past, future. Everything we can see. What is going to happen in future also we can see. So Arjuna is telling, please Krishna, show me that also. Again, remember. He is requesting Krishna to show just for generations to come. Okay, because he knew that thing only. When did it happen? It just before Krishna was about to leave. After the fight, Krishna left, isn't it? So Dwapara Yuga ended after the Mahabharata war. Soon Krishna left. So that was the time Kali was coming. Dwapara Yuga went, Kali Yuga was. After Krishna had gone, how can we expect? Isn't what else we can expect? Kali only is coming. So he is saying, if you show me your cosmic manifestation in the Kali Yuga, years to come, people will not believe that there's a supreme personality of Godhead. At least when they read Bhagavad Gita, they may be in a position to believe. Okay, so he is saying, wow, now, Krishna is telling. Next look, Krishna will tell. But before that, here, one more thing also he is telling, requesting. This quality is very, very important. He's not ordering Krishna. He's requesting Krishna. Oh, Krishna, if you think I can hold that form, because that one sun, which is so far, when it is very hot, you feel the sun is on your head and it, like Rajasthan and all, go and see 50 degrees, we are not able to bear. And when the Lord standing in front of Arjuna, then he will see Sahasra sun, thousands of suns. So how, I mean, that you have not only effulgent, how much potency of the heat and all other material things will be there, isn't it? So Arjuna is requesting, if you really think I can behold that form, then you show. Otherwise, don't. Because that shows, always Tadvindi Pranipa. Atena pariprashnena sevaya. It said, no, we must approach the Guru very, very humbly, very politely. We have to ask from Guru, what is the instruction for us? We should not ask anything else to Guru. We should not ask any material benefit. Guru Maharaj, get some, what is it, job for my daughter or son, right? That and all we should not. We should only ask spiritual questions. In fact, it should be only instruction on that one instruction. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told our Srila Prabhupada to go to Paschatya Deshatarine. Daily the Mangalacharan is saying, go to the West and spread ISKCON in the West. Because you are so learned, your English is so good. And what is another reason? Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati told Srila Prabhupada to go to the West. We all Indians know, have a habit of following very religiously the West. Whatever happens in the West, we will follow. Even the yoga and all, you see, it is our property. But more than us, when they started following, when they started spreading the importance, then we opened our eyes. So that is why Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told Srila Prabhupada to go to Paschatya Desha. Okay, Hare Krishna. So that's very politely and humbly. That's a humble humility. In 13th chapter we will learn. Amanitvam madambitvam ahimsa shantir arjavam. Amanitvam. I don't have any existence at all. There is no I for me. Very, very humble. Adambitvam and arjavam, self-control. All these things are very essential in bhakti. Yesterday we saw abhideya, machitta madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam. What did we see? All devotees will always machitta, their thoughts will be centered towards me. Madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam. Whatever in their breath, words, everything Krishna will be there. Bodhayanta parasparam. Parasparam means what? With one another. They only inquire about Krishna. So that is abhideya, process. The process by which we can reach Supreme Personality of Godhead. Bhakti, in fact, Navavida Bhakti. Shravanam Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Archanam Vandanam, Padasevanam, Dasyam Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. 9 types, 9 ways of Bhakti, 9 ang. Or in English you can say, we saw that, you remember? Rang, Rupa, somewhere we saw the acronym. 6th chapter, Rang, that means the ladder. So these things, 9 steps, we can follow. We need to. Only then we can come up to the last stage. Atmanivedanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. Who is the example for Atmanivedanam? Anybody knows?
Amrish Maharaj.
Atmanivedanam, Netaji. Example for Atmanivedanam. Who surrendered?
Amrish Maharaj.
Amrish Maharaj. Mataji, he did bhakti. I mean, he is known. I will tell you. 1 second. I'm making Mega Mataji a co-host. 1 second. Yeah. Yes. Mataji, Amrish Maharaj is for employing all our senses. Yes, Anusha Mataji, you want to say something? Answer. Go ahead, Mataji. Okay, Amrish Maharaj is an example for employing our senses. We can't control our senses. Very, very, very difficult to control our senses. We have learnt. Yes, Harshita Mataji. You want to tell the answer?
Yes, Mataji. I think Bali Maharaj.
Excellent. Very nice, Mataji. We all know na Vamana Avatar. Correct. Good, good. And we know that Bali Maharaj gave himself only the 3rd step. The Lord measured that full upper planetary system and the lower planetary system with the 2 feet, 3rd feet. Very true. Okay, so Bali Maharaj surrendered himself. The Lord kept the feet. Is it not? Okay, so but the thing is, we need to surrender ourselves. Only then we can go forward in bhakti. So now the blessed Lord is speaking. What are the three things Arjuna told? Arjuna told that he trusts him. There is no doubt. Illusion is dispelled. But still he is telling him to show the universal form. Then third one, he is requesting, if you really feel that I can see, I can behold, because with this eyes, with these defective senses, we can't see, no? Premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena santar sadaiva hridayeshu vilokayanti yam shyama sundaram achintya gunaswarupam Shyama Sundar Roop Govinda Madi Purusham Tamagam Bajami. What he says? Premanjana Churita. Unless and until our eyes are full of love for the Godhead, we can't see that form. Is it not? Okay. Yes, Prabhuji, you wanted to read, I think. You can read, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Somebody said they wanted to read that time when Shruti Mataji was reading.
Mataji, I would like to read.
Yeah, please, Mataji. Janani Mataji, read.
The blessed Lord said, My dear Arjuna, O son of Pritha, behold now my opulences, hundreds of thousands of varied divine forms, multicolored like the sea. Whatever you wish to see can be seen all at once in this body. This universal form can show you all that you now desire, as well as whatever you may desire in the future. Everything is here completely, but you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore, I give to you divine eyes by which you can behold my mystic opulence. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, thank you, Mataji. So this divine eyes only is the Jnana Chakshu. All of you write in the chat, who else had this Jnana Chakshu in Bhagavad Gita? In Bhagavad Gita. Other than Arjuna, Krishna gave him. Other than that, who else had? Yes. Very nice, Mataji. Thank you. Sanjaya. That is the reason Sanjaya is telling everything, whatever is happening in Kurukshetra, to Dhritarashtra. Right? Who gave him? Who gave Sanjaya this Jnana Chakshu? With whose mercy he got? Hare Krishna. Correct. Okay. So once he obliged Vyasadeva, and that time Vyasadeva told, okay, so this divine power of seeing, sitting in one place and see whatever you want to see, you can visualize, you can see. So he gave him the Jnana Chakshu. So why I'm saying this? You should know that this universal form shown by Krishna was seen by two people in Bhagavad Gita, right? Who are those two people? Arjuna and Sanjaya also. Sanjaya also could see everything. We will know in this chapter only towards the end. Sanjaya will speak to Dhritarashtra like this. He will explain once again. That shows that Sanjaya was also able to see the universal form. So if you all go for any 3D show or ride, whatever it is, so they give one special spectacles with which you will have the 3D effect. So same way, the Lord has to give us the Premanjana Churita. Only then we can see him. Sanjaya Uvacha Evam Yuktva Tato Rajan Maha Yogeshwaro Harihi Darshayam Masapataya Paramam Rupam Aishwaram. Okay. Sanjaya said, O king, speaking thus, the Supreme, the Lord of all mystic power, the personality of Godhead, displayed his universal form to Arjuna. Hari Hari Bol. So all of you, whatever we are going to read now, try to visualize all of you. Hare Krishna. Who else wants to read? Rare opportunity.
Mataji.
Yes,
I
Mataji.
would like to read.
Yeah. Read.
Arjuna saw in that
I think who
universal
said
form.
Anusha Mataji or Harshita Mataji. I don't know. Go ahead, Mataji.
It's Janani Mataji. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths and unlimited eyes. It was all wondrous. The form was decorated with divine, dazzling ornaments and arrayed in many garbs. He was garlanded gloriously, and there were many scents smeared over his body. All was magnificent, all expanding, unlimited. This was seen by Arjuna. 11.12. If hundreds of thousands of suns rose up at once into the sky, they might resemble the effulgence of the Supreme Person in that universal form. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. Anusha Mataji, I'm trying to unmute. I think you are not able to unmute yourself. I'm sending you the notification. I don't know whether you are able to. Yes, okay.
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Next time I'll read,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Okay, don't mute yourself. Now next slide you can read. Hare Krishna. So here, you know, as I told in the beginning only, Arjuna told no thousands and hundreds of suns. If they come all of a sudden at once on the sky, how much effulgence will be there? Same way the Lord had. So obviously we can understand why that special vision, Jnana Chakshu, is needed. Yes, Mataji. Anusha Mataji, go ahead.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. 11.13. At that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansions of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many, many thousands. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, you can continue, Mataji.
Yeah. 11.14. Then, bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, Arjuna began to pray with folded hands, offering obeisances to the Supreme Lord.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
11.15. Arjuna said, My dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled together in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower as well as Lord Shiva and many sages and divine serpents. 11.16. O Lord of the universe, I see in your universal body many, many forms, bellies, mouths, eyes, expanded without limit. There is no end, there is no beginning, and there is no middle to all this. 11.17. Your form adorned with various crowns, clubs, and discs is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence, which is fury, and I can't see the down part.
Yes, Mataji, which is fiery and immeasurable. And yet I see this glowing form everywhere, adorned with various crowns, clubs, and discs. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji. Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you. So here Arjuna is telling, you see, how many forms of so many bellies, mouth, eyes, expanded without any limit. And that form is, you know, how far he can see, to that extent, there is no end to it. So Arjuna is not able to understand how big it is and how much it is spread beyond his vision. Also, he saw all the devatas, all that we say, no, 33 crores devatas. All devatas he could see in the Lord's form. And it is, you know, like Lord Shiva, also he is able to see. And so many serpents. Mainly, Krishna used to have club, disc, crown, and lotus. Right, Chaturpuja? 4 hands, Vishnu form. So he is able to see that also. That is the entire universe, means we can understand, no, whatever things exist in the universe that Arjuna could see in the Virat Rupa, in the universal form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Further shlokas, you'll be so astonished to hear what is going to happen. Just see. Yeah, who else wants to read? Anybody else?
I will read,
Krishna.
madam. I will read.
Yes, Prabhuji, read.
11.18. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the best in all the universes. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of religion, the eternal personality of Godhead. But why it is saying religion? Because at that time there was no religion. No, it was only Sanatan Dharma.
Prabhuji, I will tell you the religion meaning. You just read after that, I will tell. That religion meaning we are taking from dictionary. Actually, religion means it is a dharma. It is not the
Because,
religion what we say cost. No,
At
Prabhuji.
that time, no, neither Christianity nor Islam was there. It was only Sanatan Dharma.
That is what I am
So
saying here.
This word should not be used. Religion.
Prabhuji, I'll tell you. You finish it. I'll tell you the meaning of religion. It's not the Christianity or Hinduism.
11.19. You are the origin without beginning. You are the origin without beginning, middle or end. You have numberless arms, and the sun and moon are among your great unlimited eyes. By your own radiances, you are heating this entire universe. 11.20. Although you are one, you are spread throughout the sky and the planets and all the space between. O great one, as I behold this terrible form, I see that all the planetary systems are perplexed. 11.21, I am not able to see.
Yeah, I will read. Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. I'll tell you the meaning. Prabhuji, okay. So what he is saying, inexhaustible, and you are the oldest. Adi Purusham. We already saw, isn't it? And you are the maintainer. He only is the cause for creation, maintenance, and annihilation. Okay. Here you are the maintainer of religion. So what is the religion here? It is dharma. What is meant by dharma? Say, for example, if like sugar, you take sugar. The dharma of sugar is sweetness. The dharma of salt is salty. The dharma of water, in the form of water, liquid, it is, what is that? That taste, what all we saw. You remember, what was the Rasogamapsu Kaunteya? The sun, the dharma of sun is heat. Dharma of moon is coldness. So that is what is dharma is. Dharma does not mean here Hinduism, Christianity, or Islam, etc. So you are the maintainer of dharma. That means, see, the nature of the mango tree is what? To give mango. So that dharma he is talking about. Okay, yes, Prabhuji. Okay. 11.21. All the courts of demigods are surrendering before you and entering into you. Arjuna is seeing now that all the devatas are paying obeisances to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And also he is seeing that they are also entering into Krishna's mouth, getting into his navel. That means devatas are also living entities. Is it not? They are also like us only. For some reason, for some cause, they have got that position. It is only the position. In Bhagavatam, it is written that Bali Maharaj is going to be the next Brahma. Whenever the next creation takes place, Bali Maharaj will be the Brahma. So like that, Bali Maharaj is going to be the Indra. Okay, now here, the last one. Oh, great one, as I behold this terrible form. This is very, very important. Now, Arjuna is saying that I am not able to behold this form for a longer time. So that's why he is saying this form is not pleasing. The form is so fearful. So that is the reason he is using the word terrible form. I see, otherwise, how can Lord's form be terrible? I see that all the planetary systems are perplexed. And also, as I read, all the devatas are also paying obeisances, but at the same time, other devatas are entering into his mouth. Yes, Hare Krishna. Anyone else wants to read?
Yes, Mataji, I'll read.
Yes, Mataji, read.
11.23. O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your many faces, eyes, arms, bellies, and legs, and your terrible teeth. And as they are disturbed, so am I. 11.24. O all-pervading Vishnu, I can no longer maintain my equilibrium. Seeing your radiant colors fill the skies and beholding your eyes and mouths, I am afraid.
Hare Krishna. Here,
Hare Krishna.
like so many faces, what he is saying, even the Devatas, they are not able to. Actually, Krishna in this chapter only will say, oh Arjuna, no one has seen this form. Why? Has Krishna shown the Virat Rupa before also? Why is Krishna saying that no one has seen this form? So that means he has not shown. That is the meaning. But do you think he had shown the same form before also? Write in the chat. Has Krishna shown the Virat Rupa before also? Yes or no? If it is yes, when? Hare Krishna, try. Okay, partial, correct. Yes, correct. They all are partial. Okay, not full. Full form, very good. You all are correct. So full form, he is showing for the first time. Yeah, very good. Thank you, Mataji. In the Kuru assembly, when he went as a Shanti Duta, that time also he shows. But there also, that time also Arjuna, sorry, who is that? Dhritarashtra, what am I saying? Duryodhan. Duryodhan could not see. Is it not? Because he doesn't have that eye at all. But that was partial. All others could see there, but Duryodhan could not see. He could see partially, even of that partial universal form, but he took it at this. Krishna is always like that. He plays around. It is in Tamil, we call it as Mayavadi. I'm not talking about the Mayavadis who do not believe in Lord. No, that means in the Maya Jal, they show some like who is that? Circus and all, they not circus. What do you call? Jadugar, we call it as. So Krishna is like a Jadugar. So he will keep showing something or the other to attract people's attention. Like that, he neglected it. He did not take Krishna as Supreme Personality of Godhead that time also. That shows, which tamoguna. We will read 13, 14, 15, 16 about the gunas. So Duryodhan was always in tamoguna. So when the tamoguna exists, people cannot understand the reality. You all may have the doubt, why? Why Duryodhan was so ignorant? Because of the tamoguna. Viswana prakriti kriyamanani gunaika karmani sarvashaga. Whatever karma we do, it is just because of our three gunas, modes of material nature. That is the reason whatever action Duryodhana did, it was all out of tamoguna. Hare Krishna. So Arjuna has already told, now I am losing my equilibrium. Yes. Who will say Sanusha Mataji, read again.
Hare Krishna Mataji. 11.26 and 27. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with their allied kings, and Bhishma, Drona, and Karna, and all our soldiers are rushing into your mouth, their heads smashed by your fearful teeth. I see that some are being crushed between your teeth as well. 11.28. As the rivers flow into the sea, so all these great warriors enter your blazing mouths and perish. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. This shows, gives us another hint. What everyone is entering into Krishna's mouth. Is it not? That shows that these people, Duryodhan and his allies, is it not? They are only entering. That means all people from Dhritarashtra's side. That means victory is again on Pandus. Here none of the Pandus, they are entering like that, it is not given. So all the opposite side. Here also many died. But in order to tell us that these people, because Arjuna told no, oh Krishna, I cannot kill Bhishma, I cannot kill Drona. When he said that, Krishna told in the first lesson, they all are only bodies. You are not going to kill the soul. Soul nobody can even touch. Na jayate na mriyate va. Nayam bhutva. Then another one, Ajonityaga Shashvatayam Purano. No one can slay the soul. So at that time Krishna told, right? That is very specially given. Oh Arjuna, you were worried about these people, telling me that you can't kill them. You see, now it said that they have already been killed. So future is shown. You see, in future they have been already killed. In the sense, whether you fight or not, their destiny is written. Whatever is written has happened. So now, next shloka will be very good. If you want to fight, take the credit. Fine. If you do not want to fight, somebody else will take the credit. That's what is going to come now. Okay? The Blessed Lord said, time I am destroyer of the worlds, and I have come to engage all people with the exception of you. Here when he say you, it is not one singular you. It is a plural. All the Pandavas, all the soldiers here on both the sides of the bodies of the beginning. One second. So he is saying except you, except the Pandavas, all other soldiers who all are here, they have been already slain. This is what Krishna is telling Arjuna. Yes, 11.33. This is what I told. Very important. Now what happened? Krishna is going to tell that whether you do it and take the credit or else somebody else will. Tasmat tvam uttishta yasho labasya jitva shatrun bhungshva rajyam samrdham mayai vaite nigatak purvameva nimittamatram bhavasavya sachin. Savyasachin. What is the meaning of Savyasachin? He can shoot arrow into any direction. All 10 direction. Northeast, west, and the southeast, northeast like that. Then upward and downward. As Dasharatha. Dasharatha can run the chariot in all 10 directions. He can, who Arjuna, can shoot arrow 360 degree. Seeing in front side, he can shoot arrow behind. So he does not even see the aim. That is the reason he could kill the fish which was rotating at the top, seeing the shadow in the oil below. So he has got that ability, Arjuna. So that is why he is known as Savya Sachin. Okay. Therefore, Arjuna, get up. Prepare to fight. After conquering your enemies, you will enjoy flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement. And you, oh Seva Sachin, can be put an instrument in the fight. Very important shloka. Nimitta matrena. Bhagavan, there's nothing he can't do. But he wants to give the credit to his devotees. 9.31 we saw, you remember? Kshipram bhavati dharmatma shashvat shanti gacchati. Kshipram bhavati dharmatma, he told, whatever my devotees do, however they do, however they are, I give them the credit. I protect them. Okay? So here also he is saying, you be an instrument. So the hidden two things Krishna is giving Arjuna here. One is the kingdom. Okay, you will have a flourishing kingdom. Take it. If you fight, you will get the flourishing kingdom. What is the second one Krishna is telling he will give Arjuna? Can anyone of you write in the chat? One more thing Krishna is telling Arjuna that he will give. What is that? It's there in the this one only, shloka. Anyone? Fame. People are going to tell that Arjuna killed everybody. What is the meaning of instrument? Everyone is going to be killed, but your name will come. That's the meaning of instrument, right? So Krishna doesn't want any credit. And such a beautiful, he's a wonderful person. We don't consider that. We go for some things. If he doesn't give, he will not give because it may not be good for us. Then we don't trust him. That there is no point in asking him, we think. But Krishna is not like that. So Krishna is telling, oh Arjuna, you take the fame also, you take the kingdom also. I do not want anything. In future, people will tell that Arjuna did. Before also in second chapter he told, if you run away and go, people will talk ill about you. For a Kshatriya, listening to those things is like, instead you will feel you should have died before, long before. This is what he tells, right? Oh, till now many Matajis, Prabhujis have not filled the attendance. Please, Matajis, Prabhujis, fill the attendance. The Blessed Lord said, all the great warriors, Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna, are already destroyed, simplified. Why do you have to worry? All those people whom you did not want to kill are destroyed. Simplified, you will vanquish your enemies. That also Krishna is telling. Oh Arjuna, don't worry whether you will be able to kill them, whether you will be able to win or not. Just don't worry, Arjuna. You are only going to be the winner. So Krishna has told everything about the future here, right? Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
11.35. Sanjaya said to Dhritarashtra, O king, after hearing these words from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Arjuna trembled, fearfully offered obeisances with folded hands and began falteringly to speak as follows. 11.36. O Rishikesha, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you their respectful homage, the demons are afraid, and they flee here and there. All this is rightly done. 11.37. O Great One, who stands above even Brahma, you are the original master. Why should they not offer their homage up to you, O limitless one? O refuge of the universe, you are the invincible source, the cause of all causes, transcendental to this material manifestation. 11.38. You are the original personality, the Godhead. You are the only century of this manifested cosmic world. You know everything, and you are all that is knowable. You are above the
Okay, you are above the supreme refuge. You are above the material modes. Oh, limitless form. This whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. So now Arjuna is thinking, this is high time. I will not be able to hold this form. So he fell under the lotus feet of Krishna by speaking the following words. O Rishikesha. Okay, who is Rishikesha? Who is the controller of all senses. In so many places, Krishna has told, with your senses you cannot perceive things. If I give you Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam. Remember, if I give you the intelligence, then you will be able to understand. So Rishikesha here refers to the controller of senses. As Mataji just now told the example, like she said, Amrish Maharaja. Right? Amrish Maharaja controlled all his senses. Means controlling is very difficult. We cannot control our senses at all. It's like that monkey story, you remember? Don't speak, don't hear, don't see. We can't tell our mind. Oh, eyes, don't see. Oh, mouth, don't speak. Oh, ears, don't hear. Is it possible? Just not possible. Instead, we can control them how? By directing them in the right direction, by employing them in the service of the Lord. You can only speak Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita instead of speaking nonsense. We can only hear Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam lectures of Srila Prabhupada and Guru Maharaj. That is in our hand. That is what Ambarisha Maharaja did. What did he do? Savai Manaha Krishna Padara Vindayor. He used his legs, pada. Padam means what? The feet. He used the padam for what? Going to the temple. Vacham Sivaikunda Gunanu Varnani. What did he use for his vacha? Vacha Manasa Krodavekam. So he used his tongue for only praising or glorifying the Lord. Then Karavkare Mandira Marjanam. Mandira Marjanam is what? Cleaning the temple. Just now Rath Yatra got over. So in that Rath Yatra, one important, just before the day of Rath Yatra, Gundicha Mandir Marjanam. What is that? The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu involved. He himself got into the process of cleaning the Gundicha Mandir. Seeing him, all the people there got into cleaning process. So many, that what you call the pots of water was brought from Ganga. People got engaged in bringing water and cleaning. So Mandira Marjanam. So he engaged his hands in cleaning the temple. Shruti Chakacharyuta Sat Katodaye. He used his ears in hearing the Lord's Katha, Krishna Katha. That we can do. Instead, like the yogis go into Himalayas, close their eyes, sit erect. We all studied in 6th chapter, right? Controlling their mind, senses. Not at all possible. Okay, so we have to engage them in the service of the Lord, which is Akarma. Hare Krishna. Yes, who else wants to read, Mataji? Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji. Yeah, yes.
11.41-42.
Yashoda
have
Rajyam, Gauri Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. 11.41-42. I have in the past addressed you as O Krishna, O Yadava, O my friend, without knowing your glories. Please forgive me. Whatever I may have done in madness or in love, I have dishonored you many times while relaxing or while lying on the same bed or eating together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of many friends. Please excuse me for all my offenses.
Continue, Mataji. Continue, Mataji.
Ji Mataji. 11.45. After hearing this universal form, which I have never seen before, I am gladdened, but at the same time, my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personality of Godhead, O Lord of Lords, O Abode of Universe. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So now, after seeing this universal form, which Arjuna is saying he has never seen. So that also shows that this is a confirmation that in that, palace, in the king, when all the people were assembled when Krishna went for as Shanti Duta, that time this form was not shown. Okay, that is what is understood, right? So before this, nobody else has seen. Then, who else wants to read? Last few shlokas. Okay, Anusha Mataji, you are unmuted.
Hare Krishna Mataji. 11.46. O Universal Lord, I wish to see you in your four-armed form, with helmeted head and with club, wheel, conch, and lotus flower in your hands. I long to see you in that form. 11.48. O best of the Kuru warriors, no one before you has ever seen this universal form of mine, for neither by studying the Vedas, nor by performing sacrifices, nor by charities or similar activities can this form be seen. Only you have seen this. 11.49. Your mind has been perturbed upon seeing this horrible feature of mine. Now let it be finished. My devotee, be free from all disturbance. With a peaceful, I can't read Mataji.
Mind, you can now see the form you desire. Hare Krishna. Now the climax is going to come. Okay, so Arjuna is now saying, "Oh Universal Lord, enough. Now your universal form is enough. So what I want to see now is the Vishnu form, 400 form, club wheel couch and the lotus flower. So please show. Even now Krishna himself is saying, no one has before seen this form. Krishna himself is saying that by only reading the Vedas, the flowery language, or by doing charities, nobody can see. So why then Arjuna is able to see? Because of his prema. So the prema is very important. That's what Premanjana Churita. Unless and until that, what do you call, Kajal, we call it as, no, that form, the analogy given is prema. So unless and until one has to come to that level of prema stage, it is not possible to see the Lord. But at the same time, what is given? Krishna is saying, my horrible, he himself is saying, this is a horrible feature of mine. Why? Krishna doesn't want to threaten anybody. He does not want to make other people to get afraid of his form. His that beautiful Shyam Sundara form, which is so attractive. What is the meaning of Krish? Krish means attractive. Okay? That Krishna, that attractive, and another color, another meaning is the blackish blue. So he in the form of blackish blue boy attracts everybody. So everyone wants to see that form. So Krishna himself is saying now, okay, now it is all finished. With a peaceful mind, you can see the form whichever you want to see now. You see the Vishnu form and Virat Rupa also, which just now saw, which is very pleasing. Obviously, the 400, but even 200 is better than that. Okay? Sanjaya said to Dhritarashtra. So it is a confirmation that Sanjaya saw everything. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, while speaking this to Arjuna, displayed his real four-armed form. And at last, he showed him his two-armed form. That is Shyama Sundara form. Murli, with the Murli in his hand, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. Okay, so beautiful it is. Could you all see that? Visualize Krishna standing in front of us in the two-armed form. Hare Krishna. Who wants to read? Last, who wants to read? Only one more PPT will be there. Yeah, so many hands. Okay, one, you read all of you. Harshita Mataji, you start. Then all others can read. One. Or can I give chance to Mohana Amrita Mataji? She is reading for the first time. Yes, Mataji, go ahead. You can unmute Mataji. Yeah, go ahead.
11.51 When Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form, he said, seeing this human-like form so very beautiful, my mind is now pacified and I am restored to my original nature. 11.52 The Blessed Lord said, my dear Arjuna, the form which you are now seeing is very difficult to behold. Even the demigods are very seeking the opportunity to see his form, which is so dear. 11.54 My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service can I be understood as I am, standing before you, and can thus be seeing directly. Only in this way can you enter into the mysteries of my understanding. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So now finally Krishna has revealed that human-like form, two-handed, peaceful form, very peaceful it is, right? So now the Blessed Lord is saying is what? Arjuna, what you're right now seeing, that is the two-armed form. Nobody else has seen it. right? Even the demigods, they long, because most of the time when demigods go to Vishnu for any problem, they take and go, no, Lord Shiva and Indra, these people go. He is in the causal ocean, lying down on the Sheshanag. So he is having the Vishnu four-armed form. So this only in Goloka Vrindavana, Krishna is in two-armed form. That is the reason Krishna is telling Arjuna, even the demigods, they don't see this form, what you are right now seeing. How, I mean, what to say, Arjuna is so fortunate enough to see this form, which nobody else had found, which nobody else has seen. At the same time, Sanjaya also. So these people are really very fortunate enough to see. Okay. Bhaktya ananya sakta aham evam vidorjuna jnatum dashtum cha tatvena pravishtum cha parantapa. My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service can I be understood as I am standing before you, and can thus be seen directly. Only in this way can you enter into my mysteries of my understanding. Yesterday we saw undivided, unalloyed devotional service. So, see, anybody who is doing devotional service, I also do Mangalarti, I also offer Bhoga. Can I also see? Definitely not. So when can I see? That's what we need to reach to that prema level. So what is the prema level? Prema level is Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivarti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhava, Prema. This is the process. Bhakti starts with Shraddha and it ends in Prema. So only in the Prema Bhav. So we have to go to that level. How is it possible? You all may think, yes, there are so many who have seen Dhruva Maharaja saw the four-armed Vishnu form. Just a 5-year-old boy, he also started doing austerity. He was artho, distressed. Krishna told, no, artho jignaso artharthi jnani. 4 people come to me. One is a distressed, artho, jignasu, inquisitive, artharthi, one who wants material benefit, jnani, one who is the knowledgeable one, who wants to acquire more knowledge, right? Like the Sanat Kumaras. So these people approach me, but they can't see the Lord. So Lord is saying that undivided devotional service, Anya Bilachita Sunyam, Jnana Karma Adi Anavritam, Anukulyena Krishna Anushilanam, Bhaktir Uttama Bhakti, Uttama Adhikaris. Their Abhilashita, their desire is zero. Only those people can see him. Others cannot see him. So unalloyed and undivided bhakti, those who have, they can see the Lord. Yes, Mataji, I saw. Yes, Mona Mrita Mataji. This is the last slide, Mataji. Hare Krishna, you have any doubt? Yeah. Read, Mataji. You have raised your hand. Read.
My dear Arjuna, one who is engaged in my pure devotional service.
Okay, Mataji, 1 minute. 1 minute. You recite that shloka after me, then we will go to the translation. Mat karma krinmat paramo. You can repeat Mataji, Mona Mataji.
Mat karma karmat paramo, mat bhakta sangha varjita, nirvaira sarva
Nirvairaha.
Nirvairaha sarva bhuteshu jasa mam iti pandava. My dear Arjuna, one who is engaged in my pure devotional service, free from the contamination of previous activities and from mental speculations, who is the friendly to every living entity, certainly come to me. Hare Krishna.
Hare Bol, Hare Krishna. We finish today's universal form, right? See, Krishna is very well telling in this the process once again. What is the process of going to him? As he told in 10th chapter, Machittamadgata prana bodhenta parasparam katayantas chamamityam. And the second one, 10.10, Satatam kirtayantomam yatadnashadiravarataha. Okay, so he is telling continuously by worshipping me. Here, finally, he is telling with pure devotional service. What is pure devotional service? No tinge of, not an iota of selfishness, sense gratification, no contamination, pure bhakti, and no contamination of previous activities. That means they are beyond Satoguna, Tamo, Raja, Sattva. But these people who are beyond Sattva, Vishukta Sattva, they only think about the Lord, talk about the Lord, keep on thinking how to spread Krishna Prem to people. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, Mercy Avatar, he wanted to spread the Lord's mercy to everybody just by giving this Mahamantra to us. So, and they are free from mental speculation, who is friendly to every living entity. Why are they friendly to every living entity? Because they are beyond Brahman realization. What is Brahman realization? Realizing the Brahma Jyoti. What is beyond? Paramatma Tattva. So one who knows Paramatma lives in every heart. So they see Shuni Chaiva Shva Pakecha. We saw that. You remember? Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Kavigastini. So one Uttamadhikari, just in the previous sloka I told, Uttama Bhakti. So the Uttamadhikari who has the Uttama Bhakti, who sees everybody equal. He sees only the Paramatma in every living entity. They only can go to Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hari Hari Bol. Easy it is. If you see here, it is so easy. Don't have the pride. Think everybody equal. Nobody is up or down, high or low, because the Lord lives in everybody. If we really sit and think, it's not that difficult. Because of the I, how can people tell me? One Shraddha is required. Whatever Krishna has said is correct. There is no counter argument. Only then he can come to the next level. That Shraddha Sadhu Sangha Visano, first step. Whatever is written in Bhagavad Gita, and that is the reason it is as it is, the book. Srila Prabhupada has given the book as it is. There is no contamination of any other motive. What Krishna has spoken to Arjuna as it is, Srila Prabhupada has written. Okay, so what did we see? First 4 shlokas, Arjuna is requesting Krishna to show his universal form. Then the Lord first describes his universal form. Arjuna, you will not be able to withhold. So I will give you the eyes to see, Jnana Chakshu. Everything is telling in 5 to 8. Then Arjuna is able to see the universal form, 9 to 11. Arjuna is describing what all he is able to see there. Then Arjuna's experience, how is he feeling after seeing that? That experience is the major portion. That is 15 to 31. Then now, when Arjuna is experiencing and expressing what all he is feeling, now Krishna speaks. Yeah, you are right, Arjuna. You will not be able to behold my, this position. Sorry, this form. Because I am Kala. I am the Kalosmi. And the time, everyone is afraid of time, right? We are reading here, what will happen next minute, we don't know. So finally, when Krishna told that he is the time factor, nobody can win over him. Nobody is above him or equal to him. Then Arjuna is praying now. Okay, Krishna, enough. I can't. I'm so perturbed. I can't see this form. Why don't you show me the four-armed form? Then when Krishna shows four-armed form, he is requesting him to show the two-armed form. Okay. Then finally, what is pure bhakti? How we can reach? Why Arjuna was able to see? Why Lord shows the form, Shama Sundara form, which even the demigods long to see. Why he told? Because Arjuna is in pure Vishuddha Sattva. His bhakti is totally unalloyed. His bhakti is pure. So that Arjuna is Uttama Bhakta. That is the reason Krishna showed his two-armed form to him. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please fill the attendance. By then, yes, Harshita Mataji, you have any doubt? Mona Mataji, yeah.
Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yeah.
I have a doubt. You said that Bali Maharaj will become Indra whenever there is position available for him. So I wanted to ask that Bali Maharaj surrendered fully to Vaman Dev. And we studied that anyone who fully surrenders is a pure devotee. He goes to the spiritual world and never comes back. But the position of Indra is a material position world. It is temporary, and illusion or Maya is also there in heavenly planets. So I cannot comprehend.
Very good question, Mataji. Beautiful. You have been listening so well. Yeah. Even in Dhruv Maharaj's case, same thing happened. The Lord gave darshan to him. That time, though Dhruv Maharaj went for asking for the kingdom, larger than his father Uttanapada had. But Lord did not take him. He surrendered. He told, after seeing your form, I do not want. I came for Kanchka Tukda. And what I got is it's like a Kalpavriksha. So there also Krishna gave him the Dhruva planet. He did not take him. Why? Because there was a desire to rule the kingdom. So first Krishna said, fulfill your desire, then you can come to me. Same way, Bali Maharaj wanted to become he wanted to rule all the devatas. So, after his desire is fulfilled, definitely they will all reach. There's no doubt in it. But before that, the Lord wants to fulfill their desires. So many Matajis also ask, why are we like this? Why people eat non-veg, etc., etc. That is a desire. So these people have the desire of fulfilling some wishes. So the Lord says, yes, you fulfill and then you can come. Bharat Maharaj, he was a surrendered soul. But he said, yes, you had a desire of taking care of the deer, you become a deer. But because of that, Apicheta Duracharo Bhajate Mamananyabad, it is 9.40. The Lord says, even if someone falls down, I will put them back into the original position because they were my devotees. So, though Bharat Maharaj came as deer, Krishna gave him the memory and he did not get mingled with the other deers. He was aloof. He was only near the rishis, ashrama. And finally, next birth. Next, he got in that Jadavartha body, after the deer body. Then same way, who is that? One more. He went to Haridwar and Lord gave him, Jadavarat. You will be born. He was born in the next one in Haridwar and then he reached Lord's abode. Okay, Mataji. So their desires will be fulfilled. After the desire is fulfilled, Lord will take them 100%. And this Haridwar example is Ajamil. Ajamil also he gave him a second chance and in Haridwar, now he was able to do austerity, tapa. Then he reached Lord's abode. Yes, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol, thank you, Mataji. Mona Mataji.
Mataji, Hare, Hare Krishna Mataji. I am from Hyderabad and there's a heavy downpour here. There was no power. I missed 45 minutes of class, Mataji. Can I
Mataji,
get back the
playlist.
recording?
Playlist is there, no, Mataji. If you go to ISKCON, in the group,
Okay.
I will put Mataji today.
Okay, thank you, Mataji. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Hare Bo.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Daily, 1 second. Daily, I upload the live stream in the playlist, Mataji. So if you even Google this one, 1 minute. Yeah, you can go ahead, Mataji. By then, I will write the link. Yes, Mataji. Tell me.
Yeah,
Thank
Mataji,
you.
I had a question like Bali Maharaj. It's connected to Bali Maharaj only. Like Bali Maharaj is right now ruling some like Patalok or something like that, no?
Yeah, he's in a lower
Yeah.
planetary system.
Yeah, he's in the lower planetary system, and God is Dwarpal there. No, God himself is Dwarpal there.
Exactly, correct, Mataji.
Yeah. So, Mataji, I had a question that like first, I had two questions in this connection. The first question is that when Lord himself is there, so all demons there, no, they must be getting liberated because daily they'll be seeing Lord, no, as Dwarpal. And secondly, I wanted to ask, no, like we are in Bhulok, and those people like we are in Bhulok, and like we are human beings here, then we are insects here, we have animals here. So I just wanted to ask, like matlab, who is better then? Like animals on Bhulok are better, or the demons in Patalok are better?
Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, Mataji, good question. Mataji, animals cannot perform karma. So unless because of they have fallen to that level, because of the karma what they have already performed. That is the reason they have reached there. Even the devatas who are in the higher planetary system, they also cannot directly from higher planetary system go to Lord's abode. That is the, like, say, for example, Indraloka, Devaloka, Pitraloka, they all are in higher planetary system than the Bhuloka, as you say. They also have to come down to Bhuloka, perform karma, then only they can reach. So this human body is the only, we saw in the previous chapters, you remember that if this body is the boat, only through this body we can cross this material ocean. So who is the boatman? Expert boatman, Shastras and Gurus. They are the expert boatmen. They only can help us reach Lord's abode. So even all the devatas will come back, Mataji. And secondly, the question what you asked, animals are better. In 16th chapter, we will be learning about the Daivi Guna, Asuri Guna. Okay, Mataji? Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji. Yeah, Hare Krishna. Mataji, all that I understood. But what I mean to say is ki Bali Maharaj is a great devotee, and he has a planet where demons are there. We people are in Bhulok, and now demons may be going to the now Bhulok is upper than is the upper class planet than the lower planets, no?
Yeah.
So it means first of all, the demons there, and if we compare, so we are in the better position. Like our karmas might be better from them that we are in Bhulok. So maybe like no animals, no Bhulok must be having
Definitely,
animals,
Mataji.
no?
Definitely, we can reach in this. Yeah, so, Mataji, no, animals means, like what to say, we are talking about the animal kingdom wherein they are suffering for their papa karma. It is
Okay.
not the real animal kingdom means what? There they are treated as animal. Like a person who eats lot of non-veg now, okay, he will go to animal planet. There he will suffer the papa karma, what he has done. For that, what is it? So today morning only in one lecture I was hearing. Okay, there they will, in fact, examples are given in Bhagavatam that oil will be burning. In that they will put the animals and they will fry it. So for all Papa Karma, what they have done, they are suffering in the animal kingdom. It's not that animal kingdom means it is fully filled with animal kingdom only. Their Yamadutas are taking account for all the things what they have performed here, what are the reasons why they
Okay.
have gone to animal kingdom. Okay, Mataji?
Okay.
Hare
So means
Krishna. Yes,
okay,
Mona
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. I saw your hand, Mataji. Or Mataji's audio has gone. Okay. Mona Mataji's audio is not there. In Mataji also left the meeting. Network probably.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah.
People say if somebody gets suicide and die, they will also born in animal kingdom, Mataji.
Mataji, they won't get the body at all. That is why nobody should commit suicide at all. Suicide
For
means,
how many years they will not get body, Mataji?
no, Mataji, they will not get. It is unless and until by the mercy of the Lord. So if he puts his mercy, the vision may be possible. But in all the Shastras, it is written, even in, what is it, Chaitanya Bhagavat. Yeah, today morning, that class only. Chaitanya Bhagavat, it is written very clearly. Vrindavan Das Thakur's book, he has written that. There he has said, committing suicide is equal to not having body at all. They'll be only roaming around. The soul, whenever it gets the suitable body, it takes the body that yoni and comes. But committing suicide means they will be without body.
Mataji, even if the person who commits suicide is tortured to death, then also because of so much of torture.
Mataji, that itself, without getting a body, the soul is roaming around itself. It's
Yeah, like Mataji,
a torture, no, Mataji.
one of my
Isn't it?
cousins only, my first cousin, one of my, she was very young, and her husband was torturing her like anything. So she committed suicide. So, like for her also, it is the same thing because she was fed up from her husband and she was going into depression. Some mental problem also came up, and she committed suicide. So
Yeah.
in that case, it's not her fault, no, that she was forced into that step actually.
But Mataji, when we are in the sense only, it is again and again told that we are not supposed to commit suicide. That is the worst papa. Killing others is not also the papa, but we are killing the Paramatma.
Yeah.
That is why the soul is roaming around without bodies.
Yes, ma'am.
When it is that is Shastras, we should believe and accept Shastras, na Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, true
Mataji,
Mataji.
if their family members pray to God, pray to Krishna, will he get the mercy of that soul, Mataji?
Exactly, that is the only way.
Oh.
That is the only way to get the mercy. With the prayers of the existing family members, if Krishna has the mercy, it may happen. But otherwise, there is no other way, Mataji.
That's what I am doing to my second child, Mataji. He committed suicide. I am praying for him.
Actually, yeah, Mataji, these days, Kali Yuga is the worst, Mataji. And you know why we suffer for that? Because again, your karma, that karma has 4 stages: bija, kuta, prarabdha, aprarabdha. So when in which birth it will fructify, we do not know. You may be thinking, in this birth I have not thought even iota of papa, what do you call?
Yes, Mataji.
For others. Why I am suffering? That is all because of that. Mataji, you start thinking, I had to go through this, and that also this also shall pass. So it has gone. Maybe you are getting purified, Mataji. Your Papa Karma is getting ended. Think like that. Definitely you will be able to
Thank you, Mataji. Every second I'm
come out.
praying for
As
him.
you are saying, you are praying, Lord will definitely listen to your prayer.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah,
Thank you,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So I have, in YouTube, you can search for this, you will get. All the videos will be in the playlist. So thank you so much. You all are motivating me. Actually, today morning, that a soul, they will be roaming around there And which shloka I am not able to. Once again, today I will listen to Prabhuji's lecture, and tomorrow I will tell you. You know that in the Padala Loka only, the oil was boiling. And finally, acha, what was that? You know, two people went to the forest, and because they were, fed up of the house, their mother's torture, in fact. So they went to the forest, they saw one house built with cakes. So they started eating the cake, and suddenly the terrace was open. They saw oil was boiling from down. They fell into that. So it is not, when will it happen? What time it will happen?